Hello, my name is Sharthmohan and today I'm going to be explaining how to insert an element into a BST. The first thing that we need to do is create a class node, an interest tree node. It should contain the variables val, which is of type integer, that holds the data, then left and right, which are both of type tree node. Then it should contain a constructor which does the function of inserting the value, initializing the value of val as that of what is entered into the argument when we call it. The next thing that we need is another class that contains the main function. That contains a function that inserts the new value into the BST. We need to check if the root is null. If the root is null, then there is not much work to do. Since it is a null, the BST has no variables at all. So we can insert the value directly to the root by calling the constructor. But if it is not empty, then we need to check if the value that we need to enter is lesser than that of the root. If it is lesser than that of the root, then we need to check. We go to the left of the root, and check if that is null. If that has no value, then we can directly insert the needed value to the left of the root, which is the leaf node. That is to the left. But if it does have a value, then we call the function again. Now this invokes a recursive function which repeats the whole process again until it finds a leaf that is null. And when it is null, it inserts the value as needed. Now going back, if the value that we entered is greater than that of the root, then it repeats the same process but to the right of the root. That is, it checks if the right of the root is null, and if so, it calls the constructor and inserts the value. But if it is not null, then it calls the function again, and as I said before, it invokes a recursive function, recursive process which keeps functioning until it finds the value of the leaf to be null. And when it is null, it inserts it. This is how we insert an element or a value to a BST. Thank you.